can I just say it is beautiful out right now? They are saying we're gonna have a blizzard tonight, but 54 degrees. I'm a little warm in this sweatshirt. Hoping it's fake news. I'll let you know. Well, rain started. Rip's checking it out. It's gotten a little chillier. Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 57 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 27 degrees.
Alexa, what's the temperature?
Right now, it's 39 degrees Fahrenheit. Tonight, expect a low of 27 degrees.
How was it, Rip? How was it? Good? Is it good out there? Good out there? Is it good? He's like, let me in. Can I look? Check it out. How can I help you? Snow has started. Snow and wind. Woo! Chilly. Going outside, Rip? You sure about that? You sure about that? Outside. You want to try this? Huh? You sure about that?
He's like, what do you mean?
You're looking freezing now. Seeing if it's any different right now.
Whoa, whoa.
Go potty. Hey, Rip. How'd that go? How was that?
Stand right there and block his way. No, stand right there. Sit. Good boy. Okay. You ready to go potty? You ready to go potty? Let's go potty. Come on. Come on, let's go potty. Come on, let's go. Go potty.
Kennel up, Snowball.